everyone, it's Claire. I've just had some deliveries arrive. I thought I would open some with you. Okay, let's have a look what we've got in this Amazon package. Letter beads. Oh, I didn't realise they were in a little case. So this is 1000 white and gold letter beads. It actually comes with some elastic as well, because I have an order for some bridesmaids bracelets, so it's something new for me to try. Elastic. So I will film myself making the bracelets later. I'm going to use pearl beads. Not sure if I'm going to use those or I've got some of those. We'll see anyway. We'll see a bit later anyway. So those are those in there. We've got this one. And apart from one thing, I cannot remember what I ordered. Right, let's put that here and see. I won't get them all out. These are, well, they're quite sticky actually. We've got breakage here somewhere, which I think is that one, which is a shame. I'll have to throw that away. They are. I don't think they've, to be honest, I don't think they've cured properly. I may have to put them under my lamp. I don't know, I've never done that before, we'll have to see. But I thought to make some summer jewellery, what I think they've done is they've joined, I did buy some flatbacks as well, and I think they've put them all into one. So there are some pendants and flatbacks. I mean, they're very vibrant. I do like those. And my plan is, I've got these small storage boxes. They've got dividers in them. And my plan is to, using different supplies, which you'll see in a mo, is to make some craft boxes up. That's my plan anyway. So those are those, but that'll be rather a big job curing those properly. What else did we get? More daisies. If you follow me, you'll know just how much I love daisies. Like, these are sealed, but you can see. Very vibrant and colourful, great for the summer. What are these? See, this is the thing, I can never remember. I've obviously picked these. I think I've got these to go in the container. They're a mixture of... Let's have a look what they've got. Can't see properly, can we? Oh, look at these. I found these made with love heart stickers, craft stickers, and I thought that would be great for putting on cards, you know, when I make my jewellery or key rings, putting them on the back or something like that. And they were only 99 pence again, which is I think about $1.25. I say that because I do have lots of American viewers. So let's have a look what's in a bag of these. Oh, there's still some sequins, but we'll leave them. So let's see what we've got. Oh, look at those. Let's put them on here. Mini donuts. That's good, isn't it? Oh, I think there's another one. Not another donut. Huh, they're cool, aren't they? Bows, large bows, there's hearts, all sorts in here. Filmo clay, sequins, smiley faces. Yeah. So the plan is to go into these boxes. So I'll just put this back in. Here's what else do we have? Oh, look at these. I hope these are not sticky. I have plans for these. Let's have a look. Please do not be sticky. Oof. Right, let's have a look. No, not sticky. These are cute. Oh, I think that goes that way. I thought, are they misprinted? Look at these. Oh, cool. These are great for bow centres. Oh, there's a crab. Bunnies. Food. I think that's melon. Pink pineapples. I like these. Look at them. Pussycats. Gosh, I think there's something for everyone in here. Ducks. Flowers. Look at that one. Oh, they're all like happy and smiley and hearts with love. Looks like a pony. Bow. Swan. Yeah, I'm very happy with those. Ooh, very excited. So we've got 2 of those. I wish I bought more of those now. I don't think they're going to hang around for long. Silicone earring backs. What are those like? Yeah, I wasn't happy with the quality that came with the earring pad studs. Yeah, these are better. So I should put those with those, and I'll obviously offer those for sale. If you don't know, I've got a website for handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I'll link it for you. I do sell worldwide. I will only send using tracking methods, which from the UK, outside of the UK, is very expensive. Well, actually it's expensive to send in the UK as well. What else do we have? Do you know why I bought these? I'm going to make some funky earrings and necklaces for the summer. Look at those. I think something I've learnt going along is you really need to stand out from the crowd. You know, making jewellery, it's a saturated market. So you've got to make yourself, that's my motto, creations that stand out from the crowd. So those lemons, and I think I had some more fruits. Let's have a look. I'm so excited to make some jewellery. I can't wait. Look at the oranges. Oranges and lemons, say the bells of St. Clements. Look at those. And it does look like orange peel as well. Really realistic as well. Yeah, very happy with those. So try, if you can, try to make jewellery that's a little bit different. That's what I'm going to be doing anyway. What are these? This is a freebie. What's in the freebie? What's that? Oh, That's quite pretty actually. I think when you buy, you get like freebies. Can you see? So thank you for my freebie. I just pass them on to you, to be honest. That's those. More food. Oh, donuts. I want to make some donut earrings. Look at those. They're large as well. So again, my plan is to make some earrings and necklaces. Something a little bit different. More donuts. Who can like resist a donut, especially me? Ooh, here we go. Look at those. That's going to make some fab jewellery. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. If you don't already, I've got my socials posted below for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you want to give me a follow, you'll be able to see, because I don't post everything on here. Some more donuts. They're very cool. Oh, I just remembered, and I don't know if this is going to show, but although they're cherry, they've actually got red diamante on the top, which makes them a little bit special. Some added uniqueness. Those are lovely. I like those. What else you got? Oh, more. Look at these. See, nice backs to them. Sometimes you'll get marks on the back, and I can't sell those. But I'm very happy so far. There's those. Cupcakes, muffins, cherry muffins. I think, yeah, I've got 2 of those. Again, I will be sharing some of this with you, so obviously right now I haven't got it listed, but I will get them listed on my website. There's some more cherry ones, and I've got a bag of these. Reminded me of slices of birthday cake. So I was thinking, yeah, you could do some birthday projects with that. Maybe if it's someone's making a key ring or necklaces, you know, you can just add them to it. So that's those, and that is the haul right now. So I'm going to be busy putting them on the website. And it's actually Easter. It's Good Friday tomorrow. So have a lovely Easter. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.